Imagination Station is closed for its annual cleaning. Scientists still very busy. Jeff Stevenson is here this morning, and we're already lighting a few candles. I like this.
Yes,
Getting geared up.
So we have our annual fundraiser coming up on the 17th, so I figured it's a big bash. We call it the bash. We should start out with the bang, all right?
Okay.
So I need you to go ahead and put those goggles on.
Okay, goggles on.
Because our fundraisers are big, they're flashy, and they're full of science. And so you can still get tickets online and everything like that. But let's just go ahead and get started right away. So
here we go.
Can you count down in 3, 2.
Wow.
All right.
I was not expecting that.
Now that was a pretty cool explosion, right? That was a pretty cool little pop. But did you notice anything color-wise about it?
It looked really orange to me.
Yeah, you definitely see that orange flame, but I also put a little bit of metal salts in there.
Yeah, there was a little bit in there.
Okay, so we're going to kind of experiment with what those metal salts mean. Now, you can see I have a flame going on in here, but you can barely see it at all.
You can see a little bit in there.
A little bit in there. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I have some metal salts here, and these are what give fireworks their color. All right, so I want you to try this first one right here. All right.
So we're basically making our own fireworks in here.
Yes. All right, and we're going to kind of experiment with what they are.
Right in here, right?
Put it right in here, actually. But drizzle up nice and high.
Nice and high.
And just dribble it on in. This is a chemical called sodium chloride. Very complicated chemical. You put it on your French fries. It's
salt.
Salt, right? Sodium chloride. Right? Gives you an orange flame.
I can handle that one.
Gives you an orange flame. Next one is potassium chloride.
I say K, so that's potassium.
Potassium. Okay. You're peeking at my labeling there.
I don't know much about chemistry, but I remember what K was.
Do you remember where we find potassium at?
You tell me.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I did know that.
Yeah, you know this. All right, and the next one you're going to get to gives you a nice kind of bluish
Yeah, there was
flame.
some blue in there.
It's a little hard to tell.
Okay.
All right, next one is lithium.
Lithium.
Where do we find lithium at?
Like batteries.
Exactly. Lithium-ion batteries. So this is what I always tell kids.
Sprinkle this one.
If we were going to light our phones on fire, this is what it looked like. It gives it a little bit of a pink color. Now the next one's my most favorite out of these ones.
That one's kind of cool. Okay.
And if you know where strontium chloride comes from, you get like the biggest gold star.
Oh, I know this one. It's Mars, right?
Go ahead and put it on there.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and put it on there. It's actually from road flares.
Whoa!
All right, so you get a really nice vibrant color. I think nowadays they're using like LEDs, but look how cool that is with that amazing
That's really
color.
neat, and you can definitely see the road flare like red that comes out with that. Okay.
So I have some kind of specialty ones as well. These are a little harder. I put them in pipettes. This is magnesium, so go ahead and try to give it a squirt in there.
So just give it a squirt right in here.
You might have to like tilt it and give it a squirt.
Whoa.
You see that one?
Whoa.
Whoa, right?
So that's like a sparkler kind of.
Yeah, it's like those fireflies you see in fireworks.
Yeah,
Right here, you want to try another one? I got all kinds of fun ones.
Let's try one.
Yeah, try this one.
Okay.
Try that one.
What's this one?
That one is iron. So this is kind of what they use in sparklers. Isn't that one so much fun? So that's a little bit sparklers.
Those kind of like dance.
They do. Those are my favorite ones that flutter around.
Okay, I like that one.
All right, this is like the grand finale here. You have a bunch in there, so be careful.
This is fireworks. You have to have a grand finale.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, so you've mixed a couple in this one?
No, we're going to do it together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this last one is copper. Try this one. And just like copper turns your roof green, copper chloride burns green. So isn't that awesome?
Look at that. It's like the Northern Lights kind of.
A little magnesium in there.
Go, little guy, go.
Yeah, excellent. So
I'm gonna have to get some of this.
Yeah, we do these kinds of experiments all the time. Like you said, we are closed for our annual cleaning. But we open on the 20th, and we do the combustion show where we go over this cool stuff every day at 1:30.
This is a lot of fun, and we've got the bash coming up as well. I got to go to that last year. That was all sorts of fun.
Yes. The bash is a really cool experience. It's like kind of a maybe not necessarily black tie fair, but like this really formal science meets whining and dining meets fundraiser meets come help us.
You kind of get to wear a nice outfit and put your geek glasses on at the same time. It's kind of fun.
We have some brand new experiments and things planned out, so if you've been to it before, you're definitely going to come see.
So bow ties are definitely an okay thing to wear.
Oh, we're going to be doing some bow tie stuff, but we're going to be making our own bow ties.
Okay, and also Imagination Station doing a little bit of hiring as well?
We are. We have an open interview process right now, so you can come in. I think the dates are on our website, so if you want to check out what dates to come in. And we have lots of really fun positions. I mean, you can work on the floor. You guys
have fun?
Yeah, this is what you get to do. You can come apply and you can literally make fireworks, and we even have big giant fireworks here to show how they work on the inside. Yeah, on the inside. So, the stuff we were doing is all along this rim here. So that's where the metal salts are contained when they explode.
And then it just...
Yeah, and we just have fun stuff like this laying around. Like, do you, around your office, have like a giant firework cut in half?
We do not have any giant fireworks in the weather center.
Not quite. I'm going to put this flame out, by the way. I'm going to remove the oxygen.
Probably a good idea.
Don't worry, this is a dud. This isn't live. I wouldn't bring a live firework
That would have been good. Lots of fun at Imagination Station. Thank you very much for you here.
Of course.
All right, we got more WTOL 11 Your Day coming up right after the break.